1, 2, 3, 4. Shake a neighbor's hand, shake a hand next to ya. Shake a neighbor's hand, say, nice to meet you. Dale la mano a tu vecino. Dale la mano y dile, mucho gusto. It is very nice to meet you. Same to you, it's a pleasure too. Mucho gusto, igualmente es un placer.
So, say, dale la mano. A tu vecino. And what's your vecino? Your vecino is your neighbor. So you're going to stand up, we're going to sing this, you're going to do just that. While we sing, you're going to shake as many hands as you can, okay? Stand up, levántense, levántense, levántense. Muy bien, good. But of course you know the words. Shake the neighbor's hand, shake that hand next to you. Shake the neighbor's hand, say, nice to meet you. Now it's Spanish. Dale la mano a tu vecino. Dale la mano. Say, mucho gusto. That's your scene, and I want you to hold your hand. Okay, now we're going to go. Ready? On this part, you can say, I still stand up, or you can sit. It is very nice to meet you. Say to you. Mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Wow. Es un placer, es un placer.
Give a high five to a friend next to ya. Give a high five and say hello. Chocolate, chocolate a tu amiga. Chocolate, chocolate. Salúdala. Hi, my friend, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. How about you? Hola, mi buena amiga. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy muy bien.
Now, this time, you're going to give a high five to a friend. You know how to give a high five? In Spanish, it's chocolate. Say chocolate. Which literally means crash it. La mi mano. Crash the hand. So chocolate. Not yet, though. But you can only do one. And if someone doesn't want to do it hard, don't do it hard. But you only do one per person. Chocolate, you got to get around. But you know how to sing it. You got to sing it first. Here we go. Give a high five to a friend next to you. Give a high five. Don't do the high five yet. You gotta sing it first. Now in Spanish. Chocolate, chocolate, amiga. Chocolate, chocolate. You're gonna say saludala. Saludala. Then after that, you get back to your seats and then we're gonna clap. So you're ready? Ready? Go up. I want you to sing this while you high five. Chocolate. Here we go. Get up. Give a high five to a friend next to you. Give a high five and say hello. You have to go
Give a fist bump to a friend next to ya. Give a fist bump and say hello. Choca los puños a tu amigo. Choca los puños y salúdalo. Hi, my friend, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. How about you? Hola, mi buen amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy muy bien.